Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given a parallelogram ABCD where AB is equals to XCM, BC is Y, and the perimeter is P. Well, for part A, how do we express P in terms of X and Y? We do know that the opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal to each other. So in this case, perimeter is simply X plus Y plus X plus Y. Simplify it, 2x plus 2y. For part B, given that y is equals to 11 and p is equals to 40, find x using the result in A. So I am now going to substitute p as 40, y as 11. So you will then see 40 is equals to 2x plus 2 times 11. And so we are going to solve this equation now. 2 times 11 is 22. And I am going to minus 22 on both sides. So that you will see minus 22 here. I'm left with 2x on the right hand side. 40 minus 22 is equals to 18. And I am going to divide by 2 on both sides. So the final answer, my x is equals to 9. Last part, given further that we have the area of ABCD as 72. Find the perpendicular distance from AB to C, which means that it is this particular length that we are required to find. And what do you think that is? Yes, if I were to choose this as my base, then this perpendicular will be my height of the parallelogram. And we have the area 72. So for the next part, right? For part C, this perpendicular, I'm going to just rename it as height. Or I'm going to let the perpendicular distance of C to AB be letter H. So H multiplied by my base X, and I know X is 9, equals to 72. That is the area that is given. So I will be able to get H pretty fast. Yeah, 72 divided by 9, 8 cm. With that, we have come to the end of this particular question. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.